Hello everyone. We are seeing in this video how can user add patient through existing trial. Second one is if patient will have referred in wrong study, how can remove patient from that studies. Click on the available studies button. User can see different study on the page with different protocol ID and different site name. Click on the study in which user want to add patient. User can see details of that study on the page. Click on the Refer Patients button for add patient in that study. Fill up information of the patient. For name, age field. Select gender part from drop-down. Same way fill up information for mobile field and address, diagnosis, PIN code field. Click on the Refer Patients button. After click will show pop-up message for confirmation. Click on OK. User will get confirmation of the success message. User can see Refer Patient on the page. After click on that patient, user will get details information of that patient with updated current status. If user will have referred patient in wrong study, so user can remove patient from that study. Click on the Cancel Referral button. After click on Cancel Referral button will show pop message for confirmation. When user will do click on the Yes option, patient will be removed from that page, and status of that patient will be available.